Well folks, hello and welcome back to Relaxing Woodshop. Of course, my name's David. Unfortunately, Christopher can't be here today, but we'll just push on through. So this week, again, something a wee bit different we don't do. I know this is a woodworking program, but we need tools to work in wood. So this week, what I'm going to show you is how to make a pipe clamp with a pipe clamp kit and then everything else that you need to go with that. So it will turn out to look like this. So obviously for some of the larger items that you're trying to do, we need the adjustable section, okay? And then we need the actual clamp bracket itself with the adjuster on it, and you have to thread the end of that. So always be aware, if you're buying these clamp kits, they're not overly expensive, but what does become a problem is when you're having to thread the pipe, and obviously you have to buy the pipe as well. So let's get into it. So for the ingredients for this week, we need, of course, the pipe. And you can buy that in any main. Don't need to adjust. Okay, folks. So take two. So what we of course need is the pipe. Now you can get them in most builders merchants and that. But make sure they're kind of used ones. I picked used ones or ones that have been lying about for a while because this is literally just for clamping where all the glue is going to go. So we need the pipe. We need your wee kit that you can buy in most online stores. You need some grease. We need a hacksaw. And then the most expensive part of all of this is, but once you have it, you can use it, is your threader, your threading kit. And because this is a 3/4 inch pipe, it needs a good size of threader, so it does. So you can work your way all the way up to different sizes. Just make sure your kit that you buy can thread that. And that's the biggest mistake when you're buying pipe clamps, because people think, oh, buy a wee £10 clamp set, buy an round piece of metal, and that's it done. You have to thread them, and that's where the money comes in. So let's cut down the pipe and see where we're at. Okay, so first of all, we want to measure out our steel pipe. So let's go 6 feet, because that most of the stuff is going to be no more than 6 feet. So we'll measure up all the way along to the 6 feet. Just want to take a second out from working on the pipe just to thank everybody again for all your support this year. If we could just, anybody, we're getting hundreds and hundreds, if not some of our videos are getting 5,000 and 6,000 views now. If even 20% of those people would subscribe, it would get us into that thousand mark. So it would. So please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and hit that notification so you see us anytime we come up. Yes, so there we have it for another week at the Relaxing Wood Shop. I hope you enjoyed that one. I know it's a wee bit unusual, but for people that are doing certain types of woodwork and doing things that they wouldn't normally do, they want to buy kits, it's good to know. As it says, there's that one done as well now. You can paint the poles. The only problem there that I noticed is if you were scraping this up and down, you'll just take the paint straight off it. So I think you'd be wasting your time if you paint the poles, because yes, it would look good, but they would just get scraped straight away. So there we go, and that basically, if you put the clump in there, and that sets it up, then you can adjust it accordingly. So you can, so then it locks in, and that's all on the screw line. So very, very good. I actually understand why it saves you a fortune, because some of those proper clamps can set you back £40–50 for the big long clamps, so they're very, very expensive. So we look forward to seeing you next time, where we're doing something a wee bit different on the Relaxing Wood Shop. Take care.